There are three distinct phases in a woman's life when her desire for connection with a man grows significantly stronger. The difficult truth explained in detail. There are three highly specific periods in a woman's life when the urge to be in a relationship increases dramatically. And this doesn't occur randomly. It's not purely emotional. It's also psychological and biological. If you're a man who fails to recognize these phases, you'll keep misunderstanding women's behavior again and again. Many men assume that women pursue relationships the same way throughout every stage of their lives, but that assumption is entirely inaccurate. Scientific research reveals a very different picture. Developmental psychologists at the University of Chicago examined how women's relationship motivations evolve with age and uncovered something that is rarely discussed openly. A woman's desire for a partner does not stay constant. It noticeably intensifies during three specific and predictable phases. More importantly, what she seeks in each of those stages changes completely. What they found even surprised several members of the research team. The study, which followed more than 2,000 women across various age groups, revealed patterns so consistent that researchers could predict with remarkable accuracy what qualities a woman would prioritize in a partner based solely on her age and current life circumstances. This wasn't simply about cultural expectations or social pressure. It was rooted in something much deeper, something embedded within the very process of human development. The researchers discovered that these shifts weren't driven only by society. They were influenced by neurological development, hormonal changes, and the natural progression of emotional maturity that every person experiences. Yet most men go through life completely unaware of this pattern. They move through relationships confused about why a woman who once seemed deeply interested suddenly changed what she was looking for. They blame themselves, they blame her, they blame bad timing. But the reality is far simpler and far more predictable. They just didn't understand the phase she was going through. Let's begin with the first stage, between the ages of 18 and 22.